It's sleek and sophisticated. Presenting TickTime. Countdown like never before. Just flip and start the countdown. No programming required. Button-free timing. It starts and stops without you ever having to press a button. And it's totally portable. So wherever or whenever you need to keep track of time, TickTime will be there. It is simple to operate by changing its positions. But if you want to manually set the time, just easily push 2 buttons for setting the exact minute and second as you like. Also, you can adjust the alarm volume to the appropriate level, including silent mode to notify you in different situations. Fits into any pocket and any bag. TickTime has a magnetic side to stick to the fridge or any metal surfaces to leave you hands-free while keeping track of the time. TickTime is chargeable. No batteries required. Simply plug in your phone charger to boost TickTime's power.